Who cares? The store? just exit that and get bundles. Look.
Oh, that's like
wait,
the,
no,
that's not actually
stupid.
That's dumb.
want-
Get the spam dog.
I know,
You're
just
getting
stop.
the spam dog.
No. Yo, how do I?
No, you go back. Oh my
Oh,
god.
there we go.
Dude, what is Martin's menu?
Stop. This is my turn.
Chicken. Got a roller chicken. Roller grill. Got a roller dog. Now, what's south of the border? Oh.
Walking tacos, Quasadilla. I want a burrito.
Pork carnitas.
Um,
Dude, you want the red pepper?
No, I don't. Stop.
You want the double nacho cheese. Grill it.
Toast it or grill it?
Toast it. Grill it.
Nice.
Dude, you can add like all of this on here. Oh, man.
Wait, that adds money?
Oh, I think the ones that have like those are ad money.
Stupid.
Yeah, we don't have money here. Banana peppers. Salsa. You got that lettuce and onions. Come on there. And tomatoes. Yeah.
Jalapenos?
I don't care. I am cheeseburger deluxe.
Nah.
Martin's.
Red? Nah.
One tacos. Okay, good boy. Alright, what drinks are we feeling? Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go with the fan favorite here. Oh shoot!
Yeah.
I think I just broke it.
No, it's a lot.
Oh yeah. Here.
Wait.
Dude, they got a lot. Dude, they even got the stuff we got at school.
Where's the chocolate milk?
Oh, over here, bro. They got the best chocolate milk, bro. Dude, mint chocolate milk.
Wait. Lock. It's a lock. Or we get one of those.
Dude, get the big boy. Get the big boy.
Actually?
Yeah, I know you want the big boy.
I do want the big boy.
Big boy for a big boy. Dude, I haven't seen these things in forever, bro.
Throw a bottle every time.
Kool-Aid burst. It'd be like full on here. Just like that.
Good.
Don't have any rollers here. All ready? There we go. Just give out the info. Nice to In the car, bro.
What? You're so...
Yo, holy Big Bertha, bro. Yo, I know you're drinking all of that, bro.
You have to link my YouTube.
This is actually cool, bro. Yo, commit to the bit, bro. Eat it. Eat up. Eat up. Tastes good. Oh, did you swallow it? Dude, did you swallow it? Paper and all, bro. Paper and all. Dude, that's a sick. Let's get back on the road again.
Take this.
All right, what's the grub looking like?
All right. I got this big boy chocolate milk. I already took a sip of it. Then I got a bean and cheese burrito from
It's from Rudders. That's where we're at.
Rudders.
What are we looking like?
Yo!
I can't. Oh shoot! It fell out of the wrapper. Oh man. No, bro, I actually got. Yo, I got my cheeseburger deluxe from Rudders because we're at Rudders. That's what's up. Yeah, the good old Baja Blast. Dude, there's no shot. It actually fell out of the wrap.
Look, it fell.
What?
Your,
Oh, that's okay. Oh, the whole burger's in the bottom of the thing. Brother, get out of here. All right, YouTuber. All right, how's it? How is it? Oh, so good.
oh, it's actually really good.
This? Your beef and bean?
You want some? Well, there's some beef around there.
That's actually pretty good.
Well, you just got bread and
Yo, where's the beef at?
all right there. There's a little sliver.
All right.
So God, I'm my father's son.
Just a guy in his leak. Oh, little pit stop. Just chilling on the side of the road, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, cool Corvette. What? Wow! Some cool cars out. Bro, no way. Just get over, fill the cider.
No, the weather did, dude.
Alright, quick pit stop. Get back on the road.
Oh. Okay, good.
Need a chocolate milk.
Oh my God, dude.
I chugged, bro. Let's get back on the road.
You didn't even open your drink.
Yo, this what's up. Dude, what a throwback. Yeah.
Now no one's gonna let me go.
Back on the road again.
Connie Leatherberg, you can't stop me. Why would you lie? Why would you lie about how you feel? I've got a mission. My mission is real. Because you had your chances. Yeah, you better know if I'm gonna burn your house down to spread peace and love. And it gets me down. Oh Lord, how it gets me down. I heard it lives down in somewhere. The 6 cars and the greens leave. He got eyes that he can't see. Well, he talks like an angel, but he looks like me. Oh Lord, everybody plays a beautiful game while I'm in Brazil. Cause it's all you've ever wanted, and it's all that you want still. Don't you wanna play the beautiful game out in Brazil? I wanna play the beautiful game.
Mount Carmel.
We're at ZNZ car headquarters right now. I want to do this. I want to do this. My fog lights. Gotta pick up a repair harness. I broke mine.
Well, I found a bounty in the Garden of Eden. The fruit from the finest soul is sinking my teeth and baptizing booze. But would a pint or two of your blood not wash away my loving Lord? But in my defense, there's no one there to say these are the days. These are the days that you should celebrate.
Alright, so this is episode 1 of figuring out what's wrong with the Z. Unfortunately, it will not start. The starter is just clicking and I have no clue why, and we're gonna try and figure this out. So unfortunately, I've already taken the starter out. I was doing that last night. Just thinking it was the starter, and I took it to AutoZone and got it tested. And the AutoZone guy said, because they had free starter testing, AutoZone guy said that it's not working. But I have a really hard time believing that. There we go, got this back. Put this right on here. Cover our link. If you haven't seen this one, watch the last video on how we repaired this link. Gave me all my dash lights and my gauges back. Here we go. Come on, get on there. All right, yeah, it's on there. Enough. Cool. But I'm also going to be rewiring up this, the manual safety switch, the inhibitor switch, or whatever they call it. So I don't have to be jumping this relay here. Hoping that I can get the car to start. Hoping. I actually went over to ZNZ car headquarters yesterday and I picked up this clip. And I'm actually gonna wire it in here because this is the one I broke off. Unfortunately, I'm hoping this fixes the clutch safety switch issue. Hoping. Not hopeful, but I hope it does. Alright, so I got this all wired up. Looks good. Looks crazy rig job, but don't matter to me. Just gotta plug this in. I think this is how you do it. All you gotta do is just jump 2 wires and should be fine. You just gotta plug her in. Alright, so now we're gonna take my little rig job wire now. Pop this relay back in. Get in there. Okay, perfect. Now, gotta throw this hunk of junk back in. Throw that starter back on. Crank her up. Alright, I got this clutch switch wired up. Got it up, all the starter in. Gotta have a jump pack on there because for some reason I bought this new battery and the terminals are reversed, so I can't even use it. So now I gotta use my old battery, jump pack it. Let's see if this works here. Alright. It's so dead. Guess I gotta charge the battery. I'll get back to you guys later. Hey, look at this guy. Update, it runs. It was that clutch switch, and now we're going on a test drive with my boy Ryan. Here. Third gears are a little bit hard to find. Woo! Baby, yeah! Oh, yeah. Very good. Well, I was not expecting that to work, this clutch switch to work, but now it's started, it's driving, it sounds great. I'm happy. What a great car. Oh yeah.
Recording
Video
it?
call video.
Found me a lover, but only to sunder. She made a man of me.
We got Evan in the video. Evan doesn't know how to drive the stick.
Get a load of me, just one more memory for love and say.
Smack it off, red line.
There's no one there to say. These are the days.
the shifter into the ground.
These are the days
Yep, that was a great trip.
that you should celebrate.
Yeah, what is
These
that?
are the days. Heartbreak, step bigger. Stop face for place with no figure. It seems after now, and I follow
And we
suit.
started
She
second
bit the
gear.
hand, and I follow through. What is a boy to do when every dog gonna have his day? Such is the path. Whatever route you take, you best try and enjoy the way. These are the days you should remember to live them well. They won't last forever. Whatever star sign, whatever moon you worship, whatever day you take, I hope you find.